Welcome to Vanasthali International School, located at Purbalian, Muzaffarnagar. This is our main gate. The campus is equipped with all the security measures at entrance gate. Security guard keeps a keen eye on every visitor and keeps the record for the same. The school building is enclosed by boundary walls on all the sides as per the CBSE norms. On left side we have our children park for our tiny tots. It's an area of recreation for them. Now we reach to the ground. Vanasthali International School has a proper big playground that has volleyball court, cricket court, badminton court, etc. This is our chemistry lab. Chemistry lab is a place to explore, enjoy, and also understand the difference between acidic and alkaline solutions. It nurtures the intuitive mind of the children and enhances their zest to make scientific inquiries. This is our physics lab. Here students get hand practice with different apparatus. Physics lab helps students in improving their approach towards the subject. It aids the students in establishing the relevance of their theories and develops critical thinking. It also enhances the reasoning skills of the student. This is our biology lab. Biology as a science instills a deeper and profound interest in the domain of living things. The equipments and tools allows the students to freely explore the gist of living organism and sort out theoretical difficulties through experimentation. Here we enter the computer lab. To enhance the technology under the expert guidance of mentor, we have well-equipped computer lab which has sufficient system under advanced technology and all the computers have Wi-Fi connectivity. This is our maths lab. Here students can learn and explore mathematical concepts and verify mathematical facts and theories through variety of activities and using different materials kept in the lab. Let me take you to the center of knowledge, that is library. The student library is open to all the students of the school. Students can enhance their knowledge by using this spacious library. We have more than 2000 books for all age groups and they are arranged systematically. It provides very calm and disciplined atmosphere. It helps students to maintain a good concentration on their studies. We have separate washrooms for boys and girls on each floor that are always kept clean and hygienic. Let me show you the girls' washroom. The washrooms are always kept clean and hygienic. The school has a safe and filtered water facility for each section of the school on every floor, taking care of all the hygienic conditions. The building is equipped with fire equipments on every floor. Taking care of all the safety measures, we have fire equipments on each floor. This is our vacant room for the senior secondary classes. This is one of the classes from our primary section, class 3rd. We have well ventilated classroom with proper and comfortable sitting for the students as per their age. This is one of the classroom from our middle section, class 7th. Again, we have well ventilated classroom with proper and comfortable sitting for the students as per their age. This is one of the classes from our secondary section, class 9th. Again, we have well ventilated classroom with proper and comfortable sitting for the students. We follow traditional as well as digital learning method for overall growth of a child. Smart Classroom. Smart Classroom is the representative of the modern technology. With the aid of modern technology, it has become easier for the students and teachers to get a good grasp of the theoretical as well as practical knowledge. Use of smart learning system increases the interaction of teachers and students as they follow each other in the process, and it becomes easy for teachers as well to keep. Here is our music room. The talent of the budding musicians find its expression at this place. Students have to encourage to develop their talents and skills at an early stage. This is our activity room. Here our kids enjoy playing games, love to dance on different rhythmic rhymes, and perform different activity. This is our wellness room, where we have trained psychologists who can counsel students. Education is not just about going to school and getting a degree. It's about widening your knowledge and absorbing the truth about life. Vanastali International School truly believes in the same. Now, let me take you to the sports room. Here, children enjoy all kinds of indoor games like carom, ludo, chess, etc. They learn to work as a team as well as individual. They develop their thinking skill as well as their concentration power. Let me show you the medical room. For general medical care and first aid, we have well-equipped infirmary. We have all the necessary medicines and ointments available in our infirmary in case of any small injury.